My name is Wayne Hooker. I'm a project manager out of the Statesville office for America's Home Place. We have an active construction site going on today, so you may hear some noise above me. We're currently in the basement of a Franklin A floor plan, which has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths and a half, and 2,400 square feet of heated space. Typically it would be open. All you see behind me would be just posts and beams, but this particular homeowner wanted to close in one room with a closet so that they could come in later and finish it off. Plus we've got a staircase over here that is an L staircase, which takes up a lot less room, because if you put a whole staircase in, you could eat up 15 foot of room. If you do an L one, you can get that in half, and plus it's only about 8 foot wide. So that gives you a lot more room upstairs, and it's a nice walk downstairs with a landing. So if you want to learn more about our homes, go to americashomeplace.com, like and subscribe.